In this guide, I'll show you how to get Milady, a new light greatsword in Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, which has strength and dex scaling. Now, in order to get it, what you want to do is have a look at your map, and you want to cross this great bridge, and you want to start at the castle front of Castle Ensis. So what you want to do is run across this bridge from that site of grace, and there will be an enemy here that you don't have to fight, but in order to get him to stop spawning, you will have to get rid of him. Now, what you want to do when you cross this little bridge here is to go up this staircase on your left. And once you manage to get up this staircase, what you want to do is take another left because there's nowhere else to go. And then you want to take another immediate left rather than going right. Now, there will be a dog and this guy right here, which you don't have to fight. They are very aggressive, so he's going to come after you. And if you manage to run past them, what you'll see up this staircase is a ladder. So we're going to go up this ladder now, and once you go up this ladder, you will find a chest, and in the chest, you will find Milady. Now, Milady is a very fast weapon. It has good combos as well as a pointing attack, so I recommend you give it a try and see if you like it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.